Hey guys, it's your friend Luan here, and this is a quick demo video of the ContentX app. And this is a powerful cloud app that allows you to create fresh content for your own sites or for your client sites. Okay, so basically, you can create content for your own personal use, or you can actually sell content for clients and charge any price you want for creating content for them. Okay, so you can create and sell content with this app. Okay, you can use for personal use or for commercial usage as well. Okay, so here I'm gonna show you all the features you have inside. It's very easy to use, very powerful. So first feature, we have video into text. So let me show you this. So video into text will turn any YouTube video into text content for your websites. Okay, so or for your client site, of course. So you just add any video URL here, and it will turn the video into text content for you. So all you need to do is put the video URL, then you can select the language you want. So in this case, English. You can add the source link of the video just to have the source of the content, right? And also you can add a video or an image for your text as well if you want, okay, by clicking the add video thumbnail. So right now I'm gonna go to only with the add source link. Then all I need to do is click generate post, and it will generate text content for me. So it will turn the video into text content. And as you can see here, I can quickly see how this content is well formatted and it's all good with the source link here. I can copy this content and use it right away into my website, or I can quickly download this content as PDF and deliver for my client, for example. Okay, so I can deliver basically content for our clients if I want as well. Okay, so that's the turn video into text feature. So let me copy some parts here just to show you the next feature. So let's go through the dashboard here, and then we have the article rewriter, which will rewrite any article you want. Okay, so it's very easy to do it. It's a spinner here, so all you need to do is click here, and let's say you have an article and you want to rewrite this article and make the article fresh, new content for your site or for your client, of course. So all you need to do is put your text here. So in my case, I put the text here, and you click spin, and it will instantly rewrite the content for you, so you can copy the content or download as PDF if you want as well. Okay, so that's the article rewriter. Then you have the done for you articles in multiple categories here. As you can see, we have a bunch of categories here where you can choose from. Those are done for you articles. So as you can see here, I have affiliate marketing articles, blogging articles, dating articles, depression articles, email marketing, fashion, weight loss, internet marketing, SEO, sales, real estate. So I have content here, done for you content in almost all the most important niches, right? So all you need to do is select a category you want. So let's say I want articles about weight loss, okay? And then all you need to do is click search, and it will find for you done for you articles that you can use right away or you can sell for clients, right? So all those articles here comes with the PLR rights, so you can use those articles, you can sell those articles, you can do anything you want with those done for you articles. So as you can see, it found a bunch of articles here about weight loss, and you can select any category you want. In this case, I selected weight loss here, and then I have a bunch of articles that I can choose from. So let's say I want to select this article here. You have a little summary here of the article, what it's all about, and then all you need to do is click save results, import result, and then you can download this article as PDF to use on your own site or to sell for your client, to deliver to your client, right? So you have a bunch of done for you articles here in this feature, right? Then the next feature you have, it's the ebook creator, which create ebooks. You can create ebooks with this. You can create digital products, info products, and all that good stuff. So all you need to do is give you an ebook title. You select an ebook cover image, okay, for your ebook, and then you can start to write the chapters here that you want, and it will give you a well formatted ebook for you. So let me show you just an example here. Text 1. I will not select any ebook cover, so just to show you how it looks like. Then I click generate ebook, for example. I can add new chapters here, as you can see, and all that stuff. So let me select a random image here just to show you. Generate ebook, ebook saved, ebook list. Then now I need to do is click download PDF, and it will download the ebook for me here. As you can see, it's everything well formatted, image here, title here, and all that stuff. So you can create basically ebooks with this. Then you have done for you ebooks, so in multiple niches like health and fitness, make money online, so done for you products that you can use and sell right away. Okay, and here if you click on the more ebook section, you will have access to 3,000 ebooks that you can use or sell online, right? So you have access to the ebook creator, the done for you ebooks, the more ebook section, which will give you 3,000 ebooks that you can use right away. And then you have the feature URL to ebook as well, that will turn any website, any URL you have into a powerful ebook. Okay, so you just put the URL of any article here that you want to turn into an ebook, and it will generate an ebook for you. Okay, so let's say that I want to turn this article here into an ebook. All I need to do is copy the URL here, article URL, okay? Then I put here on the turn URL into ebook feature, and then I click generate ebook, okay? So now I select the ebook cover image, and then now I need to do is click generate ebook, and it will turn the content from that URL into an ebook for me that I can use or use as lead magnet, sell for my clients, or use as content for my business. So here's the image, then you have all the article here into an ebook, PDF ebook. Okay, so as you can see everything here, it's the same article as here, and you can see it here. So that's how you turn URL into ebooks as well with the ContentX. So that's all the features that ContentX have inside. I hope you enjoy, and I see you later. Bye bye.